What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I'm Deanna. This video I'm showing you how I install this beautiful long 13x4 lace Auburn deep wave hair that I got from Nadula. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below, so if you want to see how I install this hair, you got to keep on watching. So this is how the wig looks fresh out of the box. I did bleach the knots, but I am still going to spray just a little bit of lace tint. I got this lace tint from my local beauty supply store. I'll link the information for it below, but I'm just going to spray a little bit of the lace tint onto the lace on the frontal. And then I'm also going to spray just a little bit of the lace tint onto my wig cap instead of using makeup. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. I just thought I'd give it a try. Now I'm just applying the glue. Because my hairline comes out far on the sides, I can't apply it just in like a straight line. I have to apply it, just where my skin is and then skip where the hair is, as you can see, like right there, and like my sideburns. This is a method that I found works for me, but if you have a normal hairline like everybody else, then you'll be fine. Now I'm just going through and melting the lace into the glue. As you can see on the sides, you can still see like my cap and stuff, which is fine for me. I've left it on there because I just wanted to see how far I needed to bring the wig down, but I'm going to go through and cut it off later. I also didn't put glue right there anyway, so it'll be fine. When you have a struggle hairline like I do, you have to go through all these things. Then, just as an extra layer of protection, I'm going through with my Got To Be Free spray and spraying it behind the hairline. I also did this off camera, but where the lace was lifting in the front, I went through with more glue and I used some Wonder Lace and I laid down the front so that it lays flat. After all of that, I decided I want a side part. Trust me, it took me like 30 minutes to determine where I wanted my part. That's not an exaggeration. But anyways, I finally decided I wanted a side part. So now I'm going to go through with my hot comb, my free spray, and my wax stick and make sure everything lays as flat as possible. So for this side, I decided for the side, child. For this style, I decided I wanted a side part that was jet straight. I don't know why. I was looking at some like pictures, and it was just giving. So I'm like, you know what? Let me try the bust down side part with the straight hair with this red. Anyways, it came out really cute. But yeah, this hair flat irons really, really well. I probably should have used some like serum or something because it was a little frizzy. But I had no trouble besides that. So this is what it looks like flat ironed, super straight and super full. Now I'm just fixing my part and I'm gonna go through and do my edges. While I'm waiting for my edges to set, I'm going to go through and cut some very, very light layers just around the front of my face to frame my face or to like shape my face. And I'm going to go through and touch up my hair some more with my flat iron and just to make it look, you know, like really crisp and clean. But pretty much this style is done. So this is the part where I gush about how much I absolutely love this hair. The color is freaking phenomenal. It's amazing. It's a rich color. It's like a dark auburn, brownish, reddish. I don't know. I am in love with this color. I love it so much. I love the density of this hair. It's super thick from root to tip. It's not like thin. It doesn't get thin at all like some other people. I didn't have any issues with shedding or, you know, tangling or anything like that. This hair is just really, really great hair. Nadula is probably one of my favorite hair companies. Honestly, their hair is great and it serves every single time. And I honestly love how much, not how much, but I love how this style looks on me. Like the side part with the edges, with the straight, it is doing what I need to do, what I need it to do. Anyways, like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Adios till next time.